Hey there, Etsy enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to verify your Etsy account in 2025. Whether you're a budding seller looking to build trust with buyers or just wanting to secure your account, verification is a must for safety and credibility. Let's dive right in. First things first, why bother verifying? In 2025, Etsy's updated policies make verification essential to prevent fraud and unlock features like higher selling limits. It's quick and straightforward, so stick around. I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Make sure you're using a secure device and a strong password. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Look for the Verification or Security section. Etsy might have streamlined this in 2025, so keep an eye out for a dedicated tab. Here, you'll start with email verification. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Etsy and click the link inside. If you don't see it, double-check your spam folder. Step 3. Next up is phone verification. Etsy will prompt you to enter your phone number. They'll send a code via text. Enter it promptly to confirm. Pro tip: use a reliable number you have access to, as this adds an extra layer of security. Step 4. Depending on your account type, you might need to verify your identity. This could involve uploading a government ID or answering a few questions about your info. Etsy's 2025 updates emphasize privacy, so rest assured your data is handled securely. Step 5. Once everything's submitted, review your settings and hit Confirm. Etsy will process it quickly, usually within minutes. If you run into any issues, like an error message, contact Etsy's support through their help center. And there you have it. Your Etsy account is now verified and ready for action. This simple process can save you headaches down the road. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.